Hello, boys. Welcome back to the new class of English. Before we begin with a new lesson, let us have some fun by playing a game. There are 26 letters of English alphabet. If 1 is equal to A, 2 is equal to B, 3 is equal to C, 4 is equal to D, 5 is equal to E, and so on, then what will be 7, 1, 13, 5? I will show how we are going to play the game. Now, here the numbers which are given are 7, 1, 13, 5. So, boys, tell me which is the seventh letter of alphabet? Yes, it is G. So, we will replace the number 7 with G. Which is the first letter of English alphabet? Yes, it is A. So, 1 will be, we will change the number 1 with A. Now, which is the 13th letter? Yes, it is M. And fifth letter is E. So, the letters which we have got are G, A, M, E. And the word is game. We have the numbers and now we will find out the words. Ready, boys? Yes. We will use this chart so that it is easy for us and we can finish the game quickly. Okay, so the numbers, first number is number 1. Boys, which is the first letter? Yes, it is A. So, we will replace the number 1 with A. In the second line, the numbers that are given are 19, 21, 18, 16, 18, 9, 19 and 5. So, which is the 19th letter? Let us check in the chart. Yes, it is S. It is S. Which is the 21st letter? It is very nice. It is U. Which is the 18th letter? R. Which is the 16th letter? It is P. Which is the 18th letter? R. Ninth letter? It is I. 19th letter is S. And which is the fifth letter? It is E. Very good, boys. Now in the third line, the numbers that are given are 6, 15, 18. So, which is the sixth letter? It is F. Which is the 15th letter? It is O. And which is the 18th letter? Very good, boys. It is R. Now, last the numbers which are given are 7, 18, 1, 14, 4, 13, 1. So, which is the seventh letter? Yes, it is G. Which is the 18th letter? It is R. First letter A. 14th letter N. Fourth letter D. 13th letter M. And which is the first letter A. Very good, boys. Now let us together read the words which we have found. A surprise for grandma. Unit 5, Lesson 3. A surprise for grandma. Now, I want all ears here. Sit straight and listen attentively to this interesting story. Sunday is a holiday. Sohan and Sweetie are going to visit Grandma and Grandpa. Hello, Grandma. Hello, Grandpa. Grandma has been busy today. She has cleaned all the rooms. She has wiped all the windows. Are you tired, Grandma? Let's give Grandma a rest today. Just sit and have a rest. Come on, Sohan. Come on, Sweetie. Grandpa, Sohan, and Sweetie work in the kitchen. They are busy. Come to the kitchen, Grandma. Come and see. Oh, soup, sandwiches, and salad. What a treat! Grandma, do you like banana delight? Oh, I love it. And now there's a surprise for you. Grandma, open this parcel. Oh, a mobile phone. What a surprise! But, Grandma, no buts now. I know your problem. You don't know how to use this. But don't worry, we will all help you. Boys, now it's time to answer some questions. Which day was it? Yes, it was Sunday. And as we know, we have a holiday on Sunday. So, when we have a holiday, sometimes we go and visit our relatives or we visit our grandparents. So, Sohan and Sweetie had gone to visit Grandma and Grandpa. Who was busy? Grandma or Grandpa? Absolutely right. Grandma was busy with her work. So, she had done so much work. So, Sohan, Sweetie, and Grandpa decided to give Grandma some rest and they started working in the kitchen. So, as they were working, they were busy in the kitchen. After some time, they called Grandma to the kitchen. And what had they prepared for Grandma? Yes, they had made soup, sandwiches, and salad. Grandma was really happy. There was one more surprise for Grandma. And what was that? Yes, they had given a parcel to Grandma. And what was in that parcel, boys? Yes, it was a mobile phone. Grandma was really happy looking at the mobile phone. But at the same time, she was little bit worried. Why was she worried? Yes, because she did not know how to use the phone. But Sohan and Sweetie told her not to worry as they will help her. Children, from this story, we learn that we should respect our elders. Also, we should help them in their work. We should be kind to them. In our house, when they are old people, sometimes what we do? We get angry when they don't understand little things. But boys, we should not get angry. Instead, we should try to understand them and explain. When you can use, you should tell them this is the way of using a remote, a mobile phone, or any other device. When we are small, our grandparents take care of us. So when they become old, we should take care of them. Okay, boys? Now let us read the lesson together. Lesson 3, A Surprise for Grandma. Sunday is a holiday. Sohan and Sweetie are going to visit Grandma and Grandpa. Hello, Grandma. Hello, Grandpa. Grandma has been busy today. She has cleaned all the rooms. She has wiped all the windows. Are you tired, Grandma? Let's give Grandma a rest today. Just sit and have a rest. Come on, Sohan. Come on, Sweetie. Grandpa, Sohan, and Sweetie work in the kitchen. They are busy. Come to the kitchen, Grandma. Come and see. Oh, soup, sandwiches, and salad. What a treat! Grandma, do you like banana delight? Oh, I love it. And now there's a surprise for you. Grandma, open this parcel. Oh, a mobile phone. What a surprise! But, Grandma, no buts now. I know your problem. You don't know how to use this. But don't worry, we will all help you. Boys, now let us read out the difficult words from lesson. First word, surprise. S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E. Surprise. Boys, repeat. S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E. Surprise. Second word, holiday. Holiday. Boys, repeat after me. Holiday. Holiday. Third one, Sohan. S-O-H-A-N. Sohan. Boys, repeat. S-O-H-A-N. Sohan. Next word, Sweetie. S-W-E-E-T-Y. Sweetie. Boys, repeat after me. S-W-E-E-T-Y. Sweetie. Fifth word, Grandma. 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 Boys, repeat after me. Grandma. Grandma. Sixth word, grandpa. Grandpa. Boys, let us say together. Grandpa. Grandpa. Seventh word, cleaned. Cleaned. Boys, repeat after me. Cleaned. Cleaned. Next word, wiped. Wiped. Boys, repeat. Wiped. Wiped. Next word, windows. 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 Next word, kitchen. 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 Next word, sandwiches. 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 Next word, salad. 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 Treat. 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 Boys, repeat. TREAT. Treat. Delight. 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 Next word, parcel. PARCEL. Boys, repeat. PARCEL. Parcel. 16th word, mobile phone. MOBILEPHONE. Mobile phone. Boys, repeat after me. MOBILEPHONE. Mobile phone. 17th word, problem. 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 Boys, repeat. PROBLEM. Problem. 18th word, worry. 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 Boys, repeat. WORRY. Worry. Boys, now let us together read the words that we have learnt. First word, surprise. Second word holiday. Third word Sohan. Fourth word sweetie. Fifth word grandma. Sixth word grandpa. Seventh word cleaned. Eighth word wiped. Ninth word windows. 10th word kitchen. 11th word sandwiches. 12th word salad. 13th word treat. 14th word delight. 15th word parcel. 16th word mobile phone. 17th word problem. 18th word worry. Boys, write down these words in your English notebook in good handwriting. Thank you, boys. Have a nice day.